ready to push the boundaries of AI art while staying responsible. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Nsfw content, creating adult images with AI, is possible using Leonardo AI. But it demands responsibility before we get started. It's crucial to understand Leonardo AI's content policies, familiarize yourself with their guidelines to ensure your creations align with their acceptable use standards. Now, let's dive and log into your Leonardo AI account if you don't have one. Sign up. The platform offers a generous free tier to get you started. Head over to the image generation section. This is where the magic happens. The key to success lies in your prompts. Be specific and descriptive, but avoid overly explicit language that might trigger the platform's filters. Think suggestive themes, implied nudity, and artistic expression. Experiment with keywords such as implied, artistic, sensual, and boudoir to achieve the desired aesthetic while remaining within acceptable boundaries. Remember, responsible prompt engineering is paramount. The platform itself has safety filters in place. You may need to experiment with what works. Next, explore different Leonardo AI models. Some models are better suited for generating realistic images than others. Experiment with various styles. To find the perfect fit for your vision, adjust the prompt. Magic strength. Lower values will adhere more closely to your prompt. Higher values give the AI more creative freedom. Finally, remember ethical AI usage. Be mindful of copyright. Avoid generating images that could be harmful or discriminatory. And respect the platform's rules. Creating Nsfw images with Leonardo AI requires navigating a fine line between artistic exploration and responsible behavior. Use this knowledge wisely, and happy creating.